All right, guys, welcome back to another video with your boy, Straight Outta Content. And in today's video, I am letting you guys know about the brand new opportunity that you have with me to book me. Yes, I know I took it off the website and a lot of people, you guys are trying to book me to help you with your Kia, Hyundai engine repair and get it replaced and stuff like that. And so many of you have bought the book and watched the videos and leaving thousands of comments. And you guys are like, hey man, I need help, I need help, I need help. The book is great, but I need to talk to you personally. I've had people ask me to pay and stuff like that. So my wife, she's gonna explain to you here the process that you can do now to book me for a consultation. I actually just had a successful one the other day and I helped him out. It was amazing. Shelly set it up because she runs my business. I mean, our business. She owns Flash Custom Transfers. I own Straight Outta Content. So she actually was like, hey babe, she'll tell you the whole story. Hey, listen, so many people keep reaching out to you. I see the comments, I see everything. I need your help. So I wanna help you. And I want to help you help people. So we came up with everything. She's going to talk to you about that. And I just really want to help people. Again, the conversations are great because I'm able to talk to you about your specific situation. So the conversation that I had with the guy the other day was about his Kia Soul, which you guys might not even know about, but I'm going to be doing a separate video here soon on that. And I was able to help him. He's also in California and they really tried to screw him, but everything went well. So I will be releasing half of that video. But Shelly's gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about what it takes to be able to book a consultation with me.
Hey guys, Shelly, Flash Custom Transfers. As Carl was saying, I saw a whole bunch of emails with appointment requests. I believe sometime last year he said that he was gonna do consultations.
Yes.
And then things just get busy. You guys see the channel, crazy, crazy stuff. So now I was like, look, we need to answer these people. We need to book these appointments, these consultations. So we came up with a plan. There is a 4-step process. So we're gonna go through that process. Step number 1, you reach out to us, let us know that you're interested in booking a consultation at straightoutofcontent@gmail.com. And if you look below, that information will be down below. I send you a pre-screening information, what is this called? Pre-screening questionnaire.
Yes.
So you will let us know like your VIN number, your make and model, your title status, if it's like salvage, clean, or rebuild, if you're paid, if your vehicle is paid or financed, do you have the KSDS? Have you purchased our book? Have you been denied of any of your claims? Is your car currently running or has the engine failed? And things like that. And we do also have a disclaimer at the bottom that shows situations or shows reasoning of disqualifying for the consultation, such as if you have a
V6 or V8. Well, I was actually looking for that.
It's not on there. Those are his
Oh,
answers.
okay.
Or if you, if your vehicle was before 20.
Yes, yep. So I'm glad that you're asking me. That's a very specific point. So yeah, if you have a V6, V8, or your vehicle is before 2010 or after 2019, 20, give or take, because they started switching up the engines. They did have the Theta 2 and a lot of those 2020 models, because they were still kind of, and then even some 2021 models, but that no longer is related to the Theta 2 engine. That recall is the piston ring engine recall, which is totally separate. But if you have the 1.6 liter NU MPI engine, which came in a lot of Kia Souls, you still qualify for the current recall. So that's what I need to know.
Yeah, so this is why we do the pre-screening, to kind of see where you at, just to see if you qualify for this consultation. Once you're approved for the consultation, we move forward to the next process, which is consent forms. We have a media consent forms, which just gives us permission to record the call for YouTube purposes, letting you know, we own the content, letting you know, all of those things, giving us permission for that. Second consent form would be our pre-consultation consent form, basically just saying Carl is not legally allowed to provide legal advice, financial advice. He can't guarantee any engine to be replaced. This is all just a consultation. Letting you know the $50 is non-refundable, and letting you know what else.
Proposed disclaimer.
Yeah, it's just general information that he will be providing. So just a consent form for that. Once those consent forms are sent back to me, signed, we will send you an invoice for the $50 for the consultation. Once that is paid, then we book you.
Yes. Is there any other documents that you want to?
No, those are it. Just the media, the pre-screen, the media, and the pre-consultation.
Ownership of content.
That's the video, the media.
Okay, yep. So again, I will record everything. Even though if you sign it, I do have the right to put it out, I won't. So the gentleman that I just did, he signed it knowing that I can put it out, but I'm going to ask you because it's gonna be a Google Meet. I will only do a Google Meet video call, and I must be able to record it because it protects both of us, right? So if there's ever a situation to where they're like, oh man, Carl, I did a video and it didn't do well or something like that, whatever, then it's like, hold on, nope, all the things were done, and I have a 30-minute call of me answering all the questions. Again, I can't guarantee, I can't force Kia or Hyundai to replace the engine. But what I can do is help you print out and know what to say to them to get them to replace your engine or replace parts. So in his situation, just real quick, he had no clue. So he ended up having a catalytic converter recall issue in the Kia Souls that when it overheats, it can cause catalytic converter damage and engine damage due to the catalytic converter overheating. And there's actually a software that you need to be installed on that to prevent the temperatures from going to a certain temperature, to go into a certain height or whatever. So he didn't know that. A lot of you guys don't know that you're having a lot of issues with your Kia Souls. So that's some of the information that I'm able to do. But can I call that Kia dealership in California and say, hey, this guy's situation is this, you need to do that? No, there's nothing that I can do on that in that specific scenario, because each dealer can deny you for whatever they want, and they don't have to do it. So, and that's what sucks. That's really what sucks. But like I tell people, go out of state. I told him, he told me you went to Oklahoma. I'm like, you might have to go back to Oklahoma. You might have to go to another state. You might have to go to Nevada, Oregon, or somewhere and say, hey, can you replace my engine, or can you replace at least my catalytic converter in his specific situation? So I just really want to let people know that I record the calls so that I can put them out. If you want me to, I will ask you. If you say, yes, go ahead. He said, no, he doesn't want to be on my YouTube channel. So I said, fine, that's no problem. Half of it I did record just by myself, and I will be putting that part out. In regards to him, I won't put him out. But if you want to be on the channel, you will help a lot of other people, because all of this content is for free. The videos are for free. And all the book includes is just all the videos and everything concentrated into one area with all the documents and stuff like that, which I was able to use a document from the book that he purchased to tell him to print out, because he just didn't know. And some people just need that explanation.
Yeah, they just need help navigating. Okay, now I have your book. I've done this, I've done this. What am I not doing, Carl? Please help me. So he gives you that one-on-one. We've had several emails of people telling us the book helped them. They got their engine covered, so they don't need that consultation. So this is for those people that need that extra one-on-one time. Excuse me, that has been pre-screened, so we know you've done all what you need to do, and then you can get that consultation.
Yeah, so that's gonna be it, guys. For this.
Si habla poquito español, necesito ayuda, email us at order. At straight out of content at gmail.com.
Yeah, so if you are Spanish speaking and you need help, we can help you. Chelly speaks enough Spanish to be able to help everybody else out there. So yeah, to all the Latinas and Latinos, we got you.
Mi gente,
yes.
Viva Mexico.
Viva Mexico. So Puerto Rico, my Boricuas, hey, we got you. We will help you out. So yeah, all the information in the link in the description down below. Email us, let us know. I really want to help as many people as I can. I'm dedicating my time in my channel, both channels. So this video is also on Carl's Garage as well. Both channels to help as many people as I can to help get your engine replaced. And I will be doing interviews and all types of other stuff with other people. I'm trying to get my brother on because I helped him get his engine replaced in California. I helped him get his engine replaced. So I hope that I can help you get yours replaced too. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.